Let's cook beetroot jollof with beef and vegetables. Let's prep by cutting our chilies, onions, green peppers and carrots. Blend some fresh coriander, bell peppers and tomatoes together. Oops, I forgot to add in the habaneros. For the meat seasoning, blend onions, ginger and garlic. Now put the beetroot into a blender with some water and blend away. Put cut beef in a pot and put on fire. Add the blended seasoning and a little of water. Add in mixed herbs, beef seasoning and salt to taste. Steam till it is soft and tender and fry in a pot. Collect the fried beef from the pot and pour in chopped onions. Add some tomato paste and fry together. Pour in the tomato mix and bring to a simmer. Let it cook up and season with bay leaf, curry powder, grain of salam, and spices of your choice. Now pour in the blended beetroot and let it cook and then add your rice. Add the stock from the cooked beef, cover and let the rice cook. Pour some oil into a pan, add onions, chilies, green peppers and carrot. Season with mixed herbs, sesame seed oil and cover. Add in a bit of the gravy used for the jollof and add some spices to taste. Pour in the fried beef, stir and cover to cook. Now serve and enjoy.
The rough.